One of the strengths of Delta is the culture of the people, embracing Sarcos like they're part of the family. And by the way, it's not just Sarcos, it's Misapplied Sciences. In fact, when you walk through this booth experience at CES, which I think is another reason that people are really drawn to this, you cannot tell who is Delta, who is Sarcos, who's Misapplied Sciences. We're one big team, we pulled together, and it's just a fantastic event.
This is the first time for Sarcos Robotics to be here, and it's a big deal because this is the first time that we're publicly displaying and demonstrating our full-body powered wearable robotic exoskeleton. We're here with our partner Delta Airlines to demonstrate use cases that Delta is going to be using it for in cargo loading and unloading, in repair and maintenance of their aircraft, and a whole variety of other situations. But it's got applicability across construction and manufacturing, warehousing and logistics, you name it. It's been really cool. We've heard that we are the talk of the show, and everybody's coming to try and find us, so it's really rewarding, and it's been just a great crowd here.
Now, I've always thought of our people as superheroes, but now they can be superhuman as well, right? You guys want to see the exoskeleton? Here comes the world's first and only full-body, battery-powered exoskeleton, and his name is Fletcher, to take us where we want to go. In the past 5 years, we've invested billions to turn Delta's technology from what had been a vulnerability to an award-winning digital advantage.
And let's go ahead and let's uncrate it for you. How about that? I think you're really going to like this gift, Ed.
Well, you've got me really curious. It looks heavy. I wonder what's inside there. Uh-oh. That doesn't look too much like a nice present. It's our moves. That's pretty good.
Rolls, and then he's going to start buckling in. So he's going to buckle in with his feet first, the aircraft. And what the exoskeleton is going to show us is how that can be easier and simpler for less employees to do and safe.
By myself. As I would, just standing on my own 2 feet, and
So now it's 2 bags, 1650 is 110 pounds between the 2 hands. It's still easy.
I told you that was 50 pounds right now.
We're showcasing some pretty cool concept technologies from the world of robotics. One is Bali, which is a robotic personal assistant that has the ability to maintain your living space or help you in the living space by connecting to the rest of the devices in your home that are also smart devices like your robot vac. Bali has the ability to take commands from you, to open locks, or to tap into some of your other connected devices. If you have a pet, maybe your pet's made a little bit of a mess, Bali has the ability to recognize that mess because you may be in a different room, power on your robot vac, send the vac in to clean up the mess so you can go on doing what you're doing without even knowing something was happening in the other room.
Hi, Bali. Why don't you give him a big hand? This is a feature of a new personal care, designed to make your life just a bit easier. What you see here is just one example of Samsung's vision of a robot as a life companion. I think he likes me.
Tommy, please get the hot air to sanitize this area.
This is our first time to show the urban air mobility business from Hyundai side, and we are super excited. The biggest feature of this vehicle is the vertical takeoff and landing powered by the electricity only. So this is a new concept of technology called distributed electric propulsion. So compared to the helicopter, we can reduce the noise dramatically, and we can assure the safety.
How do you feel? Good. You need to adjust your focus, or are you good?
I think I'm good.
Okay, awesome.
I don't know.
We're using our food technology platform to fold into different food products across the world, pork, chicken, fish, dairy, eggs, in order to establish our product as the future of the global food system and replace animal agriculture. We have to showcase this in every avenue available in meat choices.
Yes, if you want to come back in the morning from 10 to 1, we sample the impossible.
Here it is, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AV-TR. It is a show car, and show cars are here to spark our imagination of the possible, just like good science fiction movies do. Imagine a car that delivers a completely new experience, which combines an inside-out design philosophy with an outside-in approach to connecting passengers and environment. This car showcases new ideas of communication, for instance, by using its bionic flaps.
What brought you two together, and how does a relationship, a collaboration between Avatar and Mercedes-Benz EQ make sense? Jim?
Well, I don't think it's obvious when you first hear about it, and it even wasn't obvious to me until I heard the vision, a two-decade vision from Ola himself, talking about this huge commitment that they've made to sustainability. And I think that shows such a leadership position, and so many other companies are going to have to follow. But you're leading, you're doing it, and you've made this commitment, I believe, from the heart. And you're not just doing it at the vehicle, kind of at the tailpipe by electrification and fuel cells and all that sort of thing, but you're doing it in the way you're going to manufacture the vehicles, and you're going to extend that back, as you were saying, to your suppliers and all the way back through the supply chain. So it's a sort of total life cycle assessment of the entire process, and that's inspirational to me, because my main thing in life right now is sustainability, and I mean true sustainability. How are we going to do this? What's our future going to look like? And so I think tonight is all about the future. You know, when I look at this vehicle here, you know, I see the future.
Futuristic vehicle that had to authentically looks like it comes out of this amazing sustainable world. So also that is a vehicle.
It takes their biofeedback and you really feel a pulse to the car. It feels your heartbeat and you feel at one with the car.
That's so incredible. Now, Gordon, detail.
So nowadays, if you approach a car, you are the one who is reaching out to the car. You push a button, you touch a display, but in the Vision AVTR, you lift your hand and icons are projected on your skin, on your palm.
Driver when it comes to the left, right, faster, slower, and finally